We are now getting some breaking news that's coming in from the state of Maharashtra. Now, former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has alleged that an intermediary of Devendra Fadnavis has asked him to provide affidavits against important figures in the Maha Vikas Aghadi government to avoid getting embroiled in litigation himself. Fadnavis, on the other hand, has rejected these claims, and he has said that he, in turn, has audio and video clips of Deshmukh's given to him by his party colleagues. My colleague Yesha has more details. Yesha, what audio-video clips is Mr. Fadnavis talking about? What does it really suggest? Is it putting Anil Deshmukh in the dock in turn?
So here, of course, we've seen there was this claims that were made by Anil Deshmukh. Now, this case that we speak of, in fact, pertains to when Anil Deshmukh was arrested by the enforcement directorate, and there were enforcement directorate and CBI cases against him. Herein, particularly, when you speak of the claims made by Anil Deshmukh, he said that this was when the Mahavikas Aghadi government was in power. In fact, it was mentioned by Anil Deshmukh that when he was then the home minister, there were several people who were sent, who in fact reached out to him saying that they have come on behalf of Devendra Fadnavis, and he was asked to file an affidavit. Now here he said that as a part of that affidavit, he was in fact asked to name Aditya Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray, and it's in fact mentioned by him that this was done on the instructions of Devendra Fadnavis. These are the serious allegations that he's leveled. In fact, he said that it was Fadnavis who caused him to frame some of the leaders from Mahavikas Aghadi, including the fact that he also mentioned about how he was asked to speak about the fact that Aditya Thackeray was involved in Disha Salian case. So now all of these are serious allegations that have been leveled by Anil Deshmukh against Devendra Fadnavis, to which Devendra Fadnavis has come forward to mention that there were no such allegations against him, and also has mentioned that there are several evidences with him that show that there's nothing as such that has taken place. Yes.
Okay, so a counter coming in by Devendra Fadnavis. Yesha, I request you to stay on with us. We have got more reactions. Of course, this is going to spiral into a bigger controversy. Let's take a look at the other reactions that are coming in.
What he has revealed is that because he was put in jail without any charge sheet himself, under some ED-IT, under the garb of ED-IT investigation, to get bail, the bail condition was that he should implicate others in crimes which they haven't done, fake narratives. They've tried to character assassinate Sri Aditya Thackerayji's personality and his leadership. What does it speak of Mr. Devendra Fadnavis? Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, who tries to build a narrative of how he's a visionary and he looks towards development and how concerned he is about Maharashtra, what it has exposed, these statements. And these statements need to be taken seriously because Anil Deshmukh ji has suffered the consequences of BJP's vendetta politics.
जिस दिन आपको देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी ने दबाव बनाया, ऐसा आप बोल रहे हैं, उसी दिन आपने उनके ऊपर एफआईआर क्यों नहीं किया? उसी दिन आप उनको आरोपी क्यों नहीं बनाए? किसने रोका था आपको? आप गृह मंत्री थे। गृह मंत्री पे कोई ऐसा दबाव डाल सकता है? ये महाराष्ट्र की संस्कृति नहीं है। बट झूठा कितना बोलना, इसमें आपको स्मेल आता है। 2-2.5 साल बाद बोलेंगे कि देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी ने मुझे ऐसा कहा था, वैसा कहा था, उन्होंने मुझ पर ऐसा दबाव डाला, और वो गृह मंत्री वो समय के। झूठी बातें हैं, जनता को कंफ्यूज करने के लिए, गुमराह करने के लिए एक और नैरेटिव तैयार कर जा रहा है। ये कुछ सही बातें नहीं है।
एक षड्यंत्र का हिस्सा बनाकर अनिल देशमुख को जेल में भेजा गया, और जेल में भेजने से पहले उनके ऊपर दबाव आया था कि जो हम बोलेंगे वो करो। उद्धव ठाकरे जी का नाम लो, शरद पवार जी का नाम लो, किसी केस में आदित्य जी का लो, नहीं तो आपके पीछे ईडी लगाएंगे और जेल में भेजेगा। ये बात जब मैं जेल में था, देशमुख साहब भी जेल में थे, तब उसने मुझे बताई थी 2 साल पहले, और बाद में भी ये बहुत बार सार्वजनिक मंच पर ये बात उसने कही है। बीजेपी इस प्रकार की हरकत कर सकती है।
Yesha, while the allegations continue from the NVA partners, is Mr. Fadnavis planning to put the evidence that he suggests he has out in the public?
So as of now, he's just mentioned about these evidences that he has. Those have not been made public, and there's a possibility that in future, if there are further allegations at the level against him, it could be made public. Now here, of course, the allegations pertain to when Anil Deshmukh was the Home Minister of Maharashtra. All of this, in fact, he's stating that there were several opposition leaders, not only apart from him, who were being framed, who were being asked to pinpoint fingers and name other senior leaders from the Mahavikas Aghadi, and that is where, according to Anil Deshmukh, he's saying that was where there were several cases that were framed by the enforcement and CBI against all of these leaders. Now, here particularly, like we've also heard Sanjay Raut speak about, in the last span of 2 to 3 years, there were several leaders from Mahavikas Aghadi who were under the scanner, right from
Yes.
Nawab Malik to Sanjay Raut to, in fact, Anil Deshmukh himself.
Yes.
Now, in fact, recollecting the time before even Nawab Malik was sent to jail, he had also leveled serious allegations against Devendra Fadnavis and several other bureaucrats as well in the state. So all of these are allegations that have been constantly being leveled by some of these senior leaders, and which is where now again we see Anil Deshmukh leveling these allegations, to which Devendra Fadnavis has come ahead to in fact defend himself, saying that he has all of these evidences to prove that there's nothing as such that has taken place.
Right. The war of words continues. Thank you so much for that, Yesha. So, the former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh at it yet again. He, in fact, is accusing Devendra Fadnavis that he was coerced to give away certain details about the MVA bloc leaders at the time in order to do away with ED and CBI cases against him by Devendra Fadnavis. We leave it at that.